In this tutorial, you'll learn how to create an agent from scratch. First, make sure that you are in build mode and the agent management view. To create a new agent, click Create an Agent. To create one from scratch, click the dedicated card. Unlike using a template, you'll need to configure everything manually, including adding your own instructions and data sources, among other things. In this tutorial, we will create an agent designed to generate Q&A from our product documentation, aiming to train sales employees to effectively answer customer inquiries. Let's first name the agent. You can also add an avatar for your agent by clicking the plus button. Here, we will let the agent use the default avatar. Next, select a category in the list. Here, we will choose the sales category, as this agent is intended to assist sales employees. Next, let's add our instructions. Here are some helpful tips for crafting effective instructions for your agent. Clearly define the agent's role, tasks, and objectives. Specify the expected output, including format and length. Ensure your instructions are clear and detailed. Next, select the AI model to use for the agent. Your choice will depend on various criteria, such as the type of task the agent will perform or the response time of the model. In this example, we will select the GPT-4o mini model, known for delivering quick and reliable responses. Now let's add a data source by clicking Link an External Integration. You can also add your own documents by clicking the Add Documents button. Keep in mind that adding external integrations and documents is optional and depends on the specific purpose of the agent. We will select the agentic documentation that we prepared in advance. Then, click Link External Integrations to add it to the agent. Next, you can add tools to your agent by clicking Add Tools. Here, we will only select the basic Ask User tool, but you can choose other tools depending on your use case. Click Save to add the tools to your agent. Then, click Next to proceed to the second part of creating the agent. Next, select who can edit the agent and who can chat with this agent. Add a short description to inform users about the capabilities of the agent. This description will be displayed in the chat. Next, you can add up to 3 preset questions that will be displayed after the agent is invoked in the chat to guide users. Finally, click Create to finalize the agent's creation.